My next Christmas card comes from Dina. This Mama Loves Disney. She sent this cute little Santa card and a very sweet message. And Dina, thank you very much. I love the Santa and all the glitter. And it's just really sweet. Santa's got his list. He's checking it twice. I might have been on the good list. I don't know. Or maybe I was, you know, somewhere in the middle, more than likely. Anyway, thank you, Dina. I so appreciate you sending me. I sent out no cards. Zip, zero. Barely got my kids' stuff in the mail to them. Yeah, it was a crazy holiday, you guys. The next package that I gotta share with you guys came from Samantha, and she is Sweet Tea and Grace here. Now, Samantha had showed some ornaments, or shared some ornaments with a few people, and Sheila was one of them, and so was Alicia. I think Alicia got one as well. And I fell in love with them, and I contacted Samantha asking her if I could purchase a few. One for me, for my tree, and 2 for my kids, my 2 oldest children. And she wouldn't take a penny. She was being extremely stubborn, and I'm still going to talk to you about that. And Samantha. And she offered to send them to me regardless of how much pleading I did. And she sent, you know, I would have been happy with 1, but she did send all 3. You guys, the generosity of this woman, I was completely blown away. So she sent me this sweet little card with an adorable message in it. And I love the snowman. Very antique. And, you know, one of those beautiful images from way back. And I just love this. I just love this. Very, very much. And she also knew that I had just had a little medical procedure. And so she sent me this little prayer box. And it says, God is within her. She will not fail. Psalms 46.5 with a pen and a little notepad. Thank you, Samantha. This was a very sweet gesture. Now I have 3 prayer boxes. One that Dina, this Mama Loves Disney, had made for me. And I have this one and another one that was gifted to me as well. And here are the ornaments, you guys. I love these so much. And I actually got to watch my eldest open his on Christmas Eve, and they both laughed. They loved it, and it went straight on their tree, and they said, that is so true. I love Dr. Seuss, and this was just perfect. And she did these out of vinyl onto a wood base, and she has signed it, or stamped it, by Sweet Tea and Grace, Samantha. So thank you so much, Samantha. I really appreciate this. And I will be shipping you a little package as a thank you. So that's it, you guys, for this video. And I thank you again for watching. Again, these ladies' links will be in the description box. So please go give them some crafty love. And you guys have a great week and make a happy memory. Bye-bye.